30 falan var.
Son 20.
Son 20 dakika. Tam dalmana bak.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Here we are in Oludeniz. It's evening, but not that late. It's like 7 o'clock or so. We arrived yesterday, as you already know. And today we stood at the beach again for one day full. It was very nice, but now we are a little tired. You know, struggling with the water and waves and stuff like that. By the way, the water is very deep here in like 4, maybe 5 steps. It's like over my head, you know. Very, very deep water, but very clear. So now we're gonna go walk in there and see what's to be seen here, okay? Follow me. Hello. Could you please tell my friends here how much for a flight?
Dolar 10 lira.
Lira, Turkish lira.
About
Her zaman inanıyorum zaten.
600 lira my friend.
600 lira,
Yeah.
okay. What's the weight limit?
For you,
Me, no, we leave tomorrow.
she can fly, but you can't fly if your limit is more than 100 lira.
Oh,
So
100 kilo.
kilogram.
Okay, I'm 116. Hello. How much for one of this?
20.
20 lira.
Yeah.
Okay. Long? Give me 2. Can you do mixed?
Yes. Okay.
Like this and orange?
Okay.
Kaç istiyor abi?
Yarı
50-50.
Okay.
More. Half. More. Make it half. Half and half. Thank you.
Ruski.
No. Yeah, you see in one shop, you see them all.
They say to you like this. Take video.
Ой, братан, давай. Иди сюда, давай.
Don't think that I'm showing you all this touristy stuff from here just because I want to sell you something. No, I'm filming it for myself, never to come here again, because it's a very small location. There's only one street, as you can see. You cannot do anything else but go to the beach. Nothing else for us. I mean, we don't party, we don't club, we don't go to clubs or something like that. I don't believe there are any here anyway. So there are better places in Turkey to visit if you want to go to the beach. That being said, thank you for watching and see you in the next one, okay? Bye bye.